even gonna do this? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my bathroom. Today I am doing a video that I have been teasing about, that I've been wanting to do, and I'm not having it right now because I'm really nervous because I haven't done this for quite a few years actually. Fun facts. Today we are going to be cutting my hair, and I don't mean a dramatic shortcut bob, none of that. You girl, it's not about that life. I lived it once. Sometimes I do kind of miss it though, having short hair and just like throwing it and just like not having to deal with it that much. Like I do miss those days. But more importantly, I have decided to cut my hair because my hair desperately needs a trim. My ends are very dry, and what better way than to just film it like everyone else is doing and put it up on YouTube. So there's that. First thing I'm going to do before I do cut my hair is obviously I'm going to show you guys. So my hair is kind of greasy right now. I decided to take a break from putting heat on it because I think my waver really damaged it last week. But if I just go along my normal part, which is I usually have a side part. I've been trying to be brave and go back to a middle part. I used to have the middle part, middle school, beginning of high school. And then I've just been a side part girl ever since. This is my natural curly frizzy hair. As you guys can see, and as I've said before in previous videos, I have actually used my blue hair treatment. My hair is like 10 different colors, we're aware. The ends are still a little bit purple, grayish. I've actually just been using normal shampoo to get rid of it, just so that the color gets out a lot faster. In previous videos, my hair is 10 different colors, which I really want to fix after quarantine, so hopefully we get to do that. Just wanted, like, more than anything, I really just wanted to trim my ends, and I have a feeling I'm not going to be able to do now. Oh god. Because I don't even know if you guys are going to be able to tell, but my ends are very dry and awful and just not the business. So the first thing I'm actually going to do before I trim my hair is I'm going to be putting another mask in it along the bottom of my hair. It'd be better to cut it when it's wet. Anyways, we came here for you cutting your hair, not masking it, Sam. Well, you know what? This is part of the process, ladies and gents. This is part of the process. Not the Candy Johnson limited edition conditioner. This is actually my Bedhead Dumb Blonde treatment, which I transferred into a smaller bottle because I just didn't like having a big bottle. I don't know. I'm just weird like that. It's actually this product right here, which I do love, and I was using when I went blonde the first time years ago, and it's pretty good. I feel like it's done a pretty decent job in the ends of my hair, and also helped to remove them. And also helped to remove the purple blue tones that were going on in the bottom. Put some of this in my hair right now, and I'm actually going to leave it in for probably like 20 minutes, and then come back, rinse it, and then we will start cutting. Nervous. Oh my gosh. Also, fun fact, I used to cut my hair by myself a lot, and like years ago. I think I've talked about it in videos that I didn't really trust anybody. I have like a weird problem with letting people cut my hair, like professionals, because I feel like it never comes out right. Same with like coloring or bleaching my hair, never comes out right, and I'm always disappointed and angry and bitter, and I'm like, okay, well, I'm not going back to them because they totally up my hair, but in reality, you know, whatever, just whatever, it's whatever. I'll be right back. Also, just want to say I apologize for the noise of my bathroom fan. I just put in the treatment and just rinsed it out, and now I'm just going to take some of this. This is what I've been using for a while. I got this, I think, in a FabFitFun box. The, I don't know how to say this, Oye, I don't know how to say it, hair care leave-in conditioner, which is really good. I really like this a lot. I've been using it. Only thing I don't like is obviously the smell, because it smells like floral, and I don't really mess with floral scents, but I do like to put this stuff on my hair after, along with some argan oil. The oil that I currently using is the Josie Maran one, which I got a sample of like a long time ago, but I'm not going to be putting this in because I normally put it on my ends, and since I'm cutting off my ends, that would just kind of be like wasting product, right? Like, am I crazy? I don't know. The thing that I just want to point out, like when you do cut your hair wet, your hair looks longer than it is when it's dry. In my experience, if you cut it at a certain length, then it dries like shorter, and you're like, oh my god, then it's because your hair looks longer when it's wet. So there's that. I really don't want to mess with it too much because I do want to get my hair done, but my ends are so bad that I just can't really deal with it, and usually I don't really brush my hair out, but I am going to do that. It seems kind of logical, and I'm using the Wet Brush what did I even just say just now? Oh my god. Wet Brush Pro. Watching this. Any hairdressers, I'm so sorry. The thing that I learned about brushing your hair is you don't want to just rip through it. Like, I kind of go like a little bit easier on my ends because they are really damaged. So my hair is kind of like a brown, light browned into blonde ombre. I don't even know what's going on. But anyway, let's just do it. Heck with any plans I had earlier. This is what we're gonna do. I used to trim my hair by taking it all like this in the front of my head, and I would just pick like a length, like, oh, take an inch off and then I will cut kind of upwards because I don't like a blunt cut. I feel like I look like a little house in the prairie. I literally want to cut like that much off. Like I don't want to cut off a lot at all. So I think I'm just gonna pull the hair tie down. So that's the tiny little bit we want to cut. And for scissors, I'm using these very nifty Crayola scissors from like back in the day because I have other pairs, but I don't know where they are. So that's how I literally used to like give myself a trim, cut my hair when my hair is getting really long. You know, I'm not even really that mad. We're all gonna be coming out of quarantine looking like awful anyway. Though I've seen a lot of like quarantine, like girls like doing their hair in quarantine and they look bomb. Look at me going in. Look at me like I'm a professional. Are you guys proud of me or horrified? I can't tell. Okay, still checking the length. It's still around where I went. Again, don't know if this is really how you're supposed to cut hair. This is the way I always used to do it. Take it in between my two fingers though, like they do in the salons, because you don't want to miss hair. That would really suck. And the way that I always looked at it when I used to cut my own hair was like, I would rather mess it up than anyone else. Same with my eyebrows, because my eyebrows have gone years and years just getting botched every time I went to Supercuts with Danielle. And like hers would come out amazing and mine like were two different eyebrows. And I was just like, what the didn't really know any better. Okay, so since we're getting closer to the end, oh my god, I cut actually to the floor I cut a lot. I'm just gonna keep going a little bit more. I hate blunt cut haircuts. Like they can look so amazing and like beautiful on other girls and guys, but for me that's just not, I can't do it. And then once we're done, I'm gonna take the pony out and I'm just gonna even it out how it looks. It doesn't look like it took off that much at all, to be honest. Basically I kind of want it to be like around like that, like around the same length but all different lengths, if that makes sense. Okay, ooh, wow, okay, like wow, I cut a lot, holy crap. Okay, so we're still having the issue where one side's longer than the other, so I'm just gonna take them both like this, pick it up, because my hair has a lot of layers in it too. You could tell just from that like which side's longer than the other, so we're just gonna fix this one a little bit. And everywhere I've always said is like it's a good thing to get your hair cut, get the ends done, because it helps it grow and all that. So next part, long piece, like because my hair again is layered, so I want to do that though. I don't know if I feel brave enough to do this part. I give it a slight little cut just so it feels good about itself. Okay, so my hair previously was probably down to here when it was wet. So I think I cut a really decent amount off, and it is again gonna dry a little bit shorter, which is fine, but this is the end result after I cut it. I think for the most part it's pretty even. I did it myself and it's just a trim, so whatever, it's gonna get me through. So I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like when it's dry. Hopefully I remember to film that clip, and if I don't see it, it's probably tomorrow. But this is what we're looking like, and I'm excited about it. Yay! Oh my gosh. I know it does, again, it's not like a big dramatic haircut, but I feel, honestly, already, I feel a lot lighter. I feel a lot better. I feel like my ends are a lot healthier than they were like 20 minutes ago, and I'm very happy I did that treatment as well. I think that did help a lot too, and who knows, maybe I'll just start cutting my hair myself again. I'm totally kidding. I'm not going to do that. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little bit once it's all completely dried. I told you guys I was going to forget to film a clip, right? Well, I told you ahead of time and I really did. So this is what my hair looks like now ever since I cut it. And I didn't really cut much off of it, but believe me, it needed it. And I'm so happy that I did. It just feels a lot better. I had my hair in that bun, I don't know if I showed in the previous clip, literally all day yesterday and then all night, and I took it out and it was really curly, but obviously I just went out to do some essential shopping, so my hair has lost a lot of like its curliness, but it's still kind of wavy, so I'm feeling it though. Like I like it. It's not too much, it's not too little, with some dry shampoo, because I do have to like officially wash my hair tomorrow, which I'm not looking forward to that, so there's that. Yeah, this is what my hair turned out like after I trimmed it. Again, I'm not a hair professional or expert by any means whatsoever. I just really needed to do something because my hair was just feeling really disgusting. You guys could really see how many different colors my hair is right now, so we're definitely gonna get this fixed soon, and Gooby is going through all the plastic and the boxes in here. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, if you choose to do this, it's on you, girl. Again, I'm not a professional. Maybe watch one of Brad Mondo's videos. I don't know. I don't really watch him, but apparently he did a tutorial or a video of how to cut your hair at home during quarantine. So go check that out. Maybe I will link it down in the description, because I literally have no idea what I'm doing. This is just what I've always done when I used to cut my own hair. I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notifications so you know when I post a new video. And if you want to see me in a different angle in this room, now that I have this nifty tripod for my camera and phone, let me know. Your girl might turn into a TikTok dancer. I don't know, maybe not, probably not. I don't think I feel that. I am gonna go enjoy this 75-degree weather here in Connecticut today, do a little photo shoot for my Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video.